There is another method for measuring frequency and phase. It is called the Lissajous method. Oscilloscopes have provisions to have one of the input signals connected to the horizontal sweep circuit. By setting the time per division knob to channel 2, the voltage applied to channel 2 sweeps the trace horizontally. The second voltage is applied to channel 1 as normal. The diagrams obtained on the screen when the oscilloscope is in this setting are called Lissajous patterns. The following diagrams occur when the two voltages have the same frequency and a phase angle as stated on the screen. In this diagram, Fv is the frequency of the signal applied to the vertical section, and Fh is the frequency of the signal applied to the horizontal sweep section. Using Lissajous patterns, the frequency of a waveform can be determined by comparing it to a known frequency. For example, for this pattern, the unknown frequency is twice the known frequency, which is 1 kHz. For this pattern, the frequency of the waveform applied to the horizontal section is 3 times the frequency applied to the vertical section.